Good morning, Ray. How have you been? I hope you have a wonderful day today and that you're ready to begin working on IEP goals 3 and 4. So in goal number 3, Ray, we're going to continue to talk about solving 1 to 2 step problems using data from a stem and leaf plot. So we know that a stem and leaf plot is a way to show frequency of a set of data. A stem and leaf plot is different from other graphs because the data is organized by place value. So in the stem side we have our tens place, and our leaf side we have our ones place. This represents the tens, this represents the ones. They always give us a set, sometimes they give us a set of data, a set of numbers, and we have to either organize it in the stem and leaf plot, or they give us the stem and leaf plot with numbers and we have to align them into a set of numbers. So for today's worksheet, we are going to work on make and interpret a stem and leaf plot. So if you please take out this worksheet so we can work on question number 1 together.
Mama's coming and they're gonna call you.
Do not forget to write your name on the top and the date. And it says the average time in seconds taken by the swimmers to complete 50 meters freestyle swimming is given below. So we have our data set of numbers here. Then it says make a stem and leaf plot of the given data and answer the following questions. So we are going to put our set of data numbers in order here in the stem and leaf plot. So I will be doing 2 with you and you will do the rest on your own. So to begin with, we have to go from smallest to biggest. So we have 47, 45, 44, 45, 44, 47, 44, 45, 47, 44, 45, and 45. So our smallest number here is 44. However, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 44 numbers. Let's start with the smallest. So we have 44.3, 44.6, 44.8, and 44.9. So let's start with our 44. And we're going to put 44. And start here with 3. Then we have our 44.6, so 6. Our 44.8, so 8. And then our 44.9 and 9. Remember, we only put our tens place ones and our ones place as many times as it comes out. So we're not going to put 44 4 times. We're only going to put 44 once and then what comes after the decimal. That is what you are going to do for the rest of the numbers. So you also have 45, you have 46, and 47. And just put the ones place on the leaf section. And then here it says key. So they're giving you a 45 in the stem side and a 6 in the leaf side. And they want you to answer what does that equal. And that equals 45.6. Once you have put all your data set numbers into the stem and leaf plot, Ray, you are going to answer questions 1 through 5. Question number 1 says, what is the range of the given data? Question number 2 is, how many swimmers took part in the event? Question number 3 is, what is the median of the given data? Question number 4, how many swimmers took 47.1 seconds to complete a 50-meter freestyle swimming? And how long did the fastest swimmer take to complete the race? So for question number 5, let's do it together. It is asking how long did the fastest swimmer take to complete the race? So the fastest would be that they took the least amount of time to complete the race. So it would not be the one that took the longest, because that would be the slowest swimmer. So if we look at our numbers, they want us to know the fastest swimmer. So what is the least number here, which is the smallest number that we have in our stem and leaf? So we know that it would be 44 because there's no 43, but 44 point what would it be? What is smaller, 44.3, 44.6, 44.8, or 44.9? Yes, awesome job. It is 44.3. So that is the amount of time the fastest swimmer took to complete the race. Awesome job, Ray. So now you will complete the stem and leaf chart and answer questions 1 through 4. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out. If not, once you are done with goal number 3, we will continue to work on goal number 4. So now for goal number 4, Ray, we are going to talk about solving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using all types of bills. So here we have a money worksheet, and it is just explaining to us and showing us the coins and the values of each coin. So for today's worksheet,
teachers at this time, please dismiss bus 4. Teachers, please dismiss bus 4.
We are going to be working on identifying change visually. So if you can please take out this worksheet. It starts with Oliver bought. So this is the worksheet. Don't forget to write your name on the top right corner. And this worksheet says solve each problem. So I am going to do question number 1 with you, and you will work on 2 and 3 on your own. So for question number 1 says, Oliver bought $7.49 worth of groceries. He bought them with a $20 bill. Which choice shows how much money he should get? So please take out your calendar, not your calendar, I'm so sorry, your calculator. If you haven't done so, we will be needing it for this assignment.
Teachers, please dismiss bus 6. Teachers, please dismiss bus 6.
And here, they're telling us he bought groceries worth $7.49. And he bought them with a $20 bill. And we need to choose which is the correct appropriate change he should have gotten. So to start off, we need to subtract. We need to subtract the amount of money he gave from the amount of money he spent. So we know he gave them $20 and that he wasted $7.49. So his change should be $12.51. I want you to write it down up here.
Teachers, please dismiss bus 8. Teachers, please dismiss bus 8.
$12.51. And now we have to go through each letter and find where they're giving him $12, and 51 cents. So here, if we start with number 1, we have a $5 bill, a $1 bill, and another dollar bill. So if we add this money together, how much money do we have? So we have 5 plus 1 and plus 1. We can put it in our calculators if we do not know. It is totally okay. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 equals 7. So before we even count the coins, is $7 our change? No, it is not. So we know that these two answer choices start with $7. Look, this is another 7. Like here, he has another $7 bills. So we know that A and C cannot be our answer because we did not get $7 as a change. Our change should be $12.51. So then if we go to letter B, we have a $10 bill, a $1 bill, and another dollar bill. So if we add that, that gives us $12. So $12.51. So this might be our answer. So now let's count our coins. So we have a quarter, and a penny. How much is a quarter worth? Does anybody know? Yes, good job. It is worth 25 cents. So we can add it together. We can add plus 0.25, and then we have another quarter, so we can add it again, 0.25, and then that gives us $12.50, but we're looking for $12.51, and then look, we have a penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Yes, good job. So if we add that, our answer would be $12.51. So our answer is letter B. And that is what you are going to be doing for the next two questions, Ray. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I am always here to help. If not, once you are done, do not forget to submit your assignment to Teams, and you are done for the week. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you here on Monday. Bye, Ray.